it not as full? Because it cannot go under the deck, the dock.
I can put my hand to it.
Okay, you just tip it so you can.
Here, hold it right underneath the bird in the middle. It's gonna smell delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Here's the popcorn.
And it smells like campfire.
Me too.
And cooking meat and
Oh,
bacon. And
that doesn't smell pretty to me.
It's like we're doing incense or something. We're just gently smoking him.
Just watch out for the rope in the water.
Yeah, don't light the rope on fire. The rope is underwater. Can it light on fire?
It's
I think it's plastic rope too.
there's oil. Wait, but guys, oil
It's
doesn't
not
mix
on.
with water, so is it gonna go out? This is such a bad idea. It's stressing me out. Can you just dump it in the water, please? Oh, Michael. I think that's good enough.
Apparently it wasn't as flammable as I thought it was.
It's flammable when you spray it.
Because it's aerosol.
Spray it off my feet, guys.
Michael, you're smoking me out.
This is turning into one of those cool vape
Over
videos.
here, it's not over here.
Those are not cool, Katie.
Emily, you take my phone.
Michael, just put it in the water.
We need to get him to light up.
Have you tried lighting it from a different angle?
Can you just drop it in the water, please? You know I'm already videoing, right?
I see flame.
There you go. Oh, your battery's gonna die. You better hurry. Go!
Oh, he's burning. Sorry, that's the first I found.
Michael, just set it down, please.
Please go the right direction, thing, because I don't want to have to swim tonight to put you out.
It'll be fine. If it starts to go under the dock, you can painfully.
Michael, set it down.
Here, Kitty, do you want to give me the bucket?
Hey, it floats! What if, wait, guys, what if it goes to the right to the other neighbor's dock?
I don't think it'll last long
It's
enough.
already going out of water.
Dun dun dun! Dun dun dun! Dun 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 dun!
Goodbye, hummingbird. Nameless hummingbird.
The rope.
The
Guys.
rope's like,
It's not underwater.
yeah, it is. It's completely saturated with water.
No, the rope isn't underwater.
But it's saturated with water.
But it's going to get stuck on it and melt the rope.
I don't
Can you
think
throw
so.
water on it?
I don't think the rope will be fine.
Yeah, we're gonna get like the police called on us for.
Probably looks like a light bulb.
Looks like a what?
Light bulb, I'm sorry.
It's slightly moving. It's only burning on one side, too.
Guys, it's fine. It is in water.
Yeah, I feel
You're
like you
gonna do this
underestimate fire and water. And
One puts the
bacon
other out.
grease.
Oh, is that the bird sizzling?
Oh my gosh, Katie!
Head can't explode anymore. That is good. We are terrible.
I'm getting really like dizzy just watching it float there.
The good news is that it's staying in a controlled area.
Semi.
Wow. This is more successful than I thought it was.
Yeah, this is.
High five, team!
This is pretty great.
And eventually it's getting to the wet wood now, so it won't even burn anymore. Yeah, that's the bird on fire.
Are you still taping?
Yep.
This is like private group Facebook living.
Very private group.
We're not associated with Soundview Camp at all. Nope. Nope.
We should start a group called Soundview Stunts.
This might be a little bit better than the match heads and tennis balls, though.
Oh yeah. I feel like this is a little more appropriate.
Can't get a good picture of it.
That was the Michael Harold thing.
Wow, that is going.
The bacon grease. You can see where it's starting to like put itself out though. It's hitting water.
Look, it didn't go any farther out.
We should probably watch it till it's gone.
Yeah,
Yes.
This makes me want to build a bonfire barge.
Yes!
That would be so cool. Hey, the floating dog.
We could do that at camp, actually. We have enough anchors and cable.
I don't think David would let us.
How do you make a bonfire barge?
Like this, but I think we would anchor it out in the middle of the water so it can't go anywhere.
Wait, what happens? You just burn something in the water?
Yeah, you just build a floating platform and you put bonfires on it.
And you burn it? The
No,
platform?
you burn stuff on the platform.
How does the platform not burn?
Because you, like, put stuff on it that won't burn. Like, you put down, like, a layer of steel or something.
What's connected to that rope?
The glue.
Oh.
Rope's fine. Because when the burning stuff gets to that level, it'll be in the water and just not burn.
That might be the smell bird.
Like that.
I'm really surprised it's still
Wait,
going.
there's like embers that are hot that are floating around.
Where?
There's one on the rope. It's passing the rope. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Can someone go splash that?
I think it's an ember.
It is.
You could just toss the bucket on it now.
I meant to go farther.
I think it's about to go out.
Because Katie's sprinkling water on it.
Oh, Katie.
I was trying to hit the ember that's
Can
floating
you
away.
keep trying?
Yeah, we don't want the tree.
Thank you.
There we go.
Good shot.
Nailed it!
Plus it could float under someone's floating dock.
That would be bad.
It's still like a raft.
Michael, we really need to build a floating dock at my grandma's cabin.
If they front the money, I'll build it for them.
They probably would. Talk to Harold.
There's a sheet metal shop that camp gets all their fittings from.
Mm-hmm.
They're probably fitting from there.
Out of 10 would try again.
10 out of 10 would recommend eating pie after this.
Oh, the genius.
I don't know. I
Can we
feel
keep her, Stephanie?
What?
Can we keep Katie?
Keep Katie? Are we adopting Katie? I'd keep the whole group.
Yeah.
Only had someplace to put them.
Yeah.
All over my truck.
Can I have a tiny room in your tiny house?
You betcha.
Yeah, the room you get like a corner.
I'll come visit when I'm home from school.
We could have a tiny pop out of our tiny house for our tiny humans.
Maybe living in like the attic. I've always wanted like an attic room.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
So once there's actual flames gone, we'll throw the water bucket on it. Yeah.
I think that sounds good.
I think I built the raft too good. I think I see the hummingbird.
Oh no.
Maybe that's a spot. I don't know. Doesn't look like a hummingbird anymore, I know that. But
Oh, that thing. The thing that's still burning.
No.
Is that? Oh gosh.
I can't tell.
I don't know.
Oh, I see the tail. Oh
Yeah.
wait, keep it like that. I'm gonna take a photo.
Of the burning hummingbird?
dang, we
No,
totally
just
built a full-fledged fire on a raft in the middle of Utah.
And the raft is still floating.
I will
This water
give you
feels
guys
really good,
props.
Like, I think I would swim in this.
It's pretty. If
My
it
feet
weren't
were
so
really
darn
dirty,
cold. You know, I'm kind of impressed. Did your family make the rocks and everything, Emma?
Yeah.
Like, they built the whole little...
Yeah.
That's awesome.
They built the rocks.
No, the
Oh.
stairs.
Just the stairs?
The rocks are volcanic.
Candle in the Wind by Elton
We did
John
not
right now.
build those.
No. No, I mean, like, place them. Oh my gosh, this video's been going for almost 12 minutes.
I had one where I drove from one end of the airport to the other. It took like 20 minutes. On the service road. Which is somewhat illegal, but I'm not sharing it.
We could put it out now, can't we?
No, not yet.
And we'll get a full bucket. Yeah, clean it up and full bucket too.
You might want to come down here to like throw the water.
I think over here I get the best distance.
I mean, previous places.
He's getting close.
Yep. I'm ready. You can probably push him back out.
Dun dun dun.
Actually, I think this is
Dun,
working.
dun,
I was about to go out.
What's what?
Huh?
Phosphorescence in the light.
Oh, yeah. That is so cool looking. He was a good hummingbird.
Wait, will you put that your light back on?
He hummed and he birded.
He pollinated like no other.
Until he ran into the glass on the deck.